Welcome back, student. In this session we are learning the rigid and fluid. What is rigid? Rigid and fluid. Rigidity and fluidity. The rigid means, see, unbending. Say, rigid means unbending. Unbending. Or inflexible. Or inflexible. Inflexible. What is fluid means? Fluid, the material which can flow easily. The material which can flow easily and it is a require a vessel. Okay, see, this is rigid means it is a very hard. We have to see this one. So it is a very rigidity. We can't break easily. So it is a unbending. Say unflexible. Fluid means the material which can flow easily and it is a require the container for storing. See, we have to see in here our activity is given in our book. See, we have to take a table. See, this is a table and on the table we have to see the solid. See, this is a solid. Okay, this is a solid and see, this is a beaker. This is a beaker. What will happen? Solid, it is a more rigidity is there. Solid is a more rigidity. Next we have to see the second table. And here also third table. See, in the second table also it is a liquid is there. See, if a liquid is a pouring on that table, what will happen? See, liquid can flow easily. We have to see the liquid can flow easily. See, this like towards a downward. Liquid can flow. See, this is a liquid. Next we have to see the third activity. For we have to take only, see this like beaker, and in this beaker is a gas is there. See, gas is a, it is a evaporating. Gas is a evaporating. See, this is a gas. See, both are, see, gas and liquid, it should be container. So it is a storing or it is a required for a vessels for storing these gases and liquids. See, this is about the rigidity and fluidity. Okay, rigidity, it can't flow, it is a stable. Next we have to see the liquid is a fluidity. Liquid can flow and gases also evaporating. You have to see at our home, so it is a kitchen helper, it is a LPG gas is there. After completion of your mother, it is a regulator is stopping. See, unfortunately, what will happen? If a gas is a leakage, we can detect their smell. Means the gas is a spreading out, or it is a next this is a known as fluidity. See, classification of matter as solid, liquid and gases. We have to learn now. Okay. Classification of matter as solid, solid, liquid and gases. See, here is a part said on the basis of physical state, all the matter can be classified into three groups. Say solid, liquid and gases. See, we have to see the so many solid examples also, you know, sugar, salt, see, sand. Next we have to see the, see this like number of is there, wood, rock, rocks. See, it is, these are examples of solid. See, these are examples of solid. Next we have to see the water, milk, oil, petroleum product. See, these are examples of liquid. Next we have to see the gases. See, sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen. See, these are etc. These are gases. These are gases. Methane. See, this also gases. See, we have to learn now is a properties of solid. What is the property of solid? We have to learn now. Properties of solid. See, each and every, these three states have their different property. We have to learn their properties also. Properties of solid. Properties of solid. What their properties? Okay. Here properties. We have to see the ice, wood, coal, stone, iron, brick, etc. are some of the common solid around us. See, these are some common solids around us. See, we have to see the solid have a fixed shape and fixed volume. See, solid have a fixed shape. Solid have a fixed shape and volume also. See, solid have a fixed shape and fixed volume. See, we have to see that this marker has a fixed shape. The stone has a fixed shape. Okay, they have a specific volume also. Next, solid have, series A, solids cannot be compressed. See, this wall is there, this board is there, this board is a solid. If a pressing is a compressing, no, solid cannot be compressed much. See, solid cannot be compressed much. See, solid cannot compress the much and more. Next we have to see the solid have a high density. See, we have to see the solid have a high density. See, solid have a high density. Densities. See, if we have to take the stone. If we add to the bucket of water, what will happen? See, totally the stone is just sinking in water. It will be reached to bottom of the bucket because the solid have a more density. That's why it is a settled down at bottom of the bucket. See, solid have a more density. Solid do not fill their container completely. solid do not fill completely their container. See, is it fill the totally container? No. See, solid do not fill the container. Solid do not flow. Is a solid is a flowing? See, we have to see the solid do not flow. Do not flow. See, if you pour the sugar here, what will happen? Is it flowing the sugar like a water? No. Say, do not flow this solid. This is about the solid. Properties of solid. Solids have a fixed shape and volume. Solid cannot be compressed much, and solid have a fixed shape and volume. Solid have a high densities, and solid do not flow. See, this is a properties of solid. Next we have to learn the properties of liquids. Properties of liquids. See here, properties of liquid means liquid have a specific their characteristics. Okay, liquid. Okay, solid completed. Liquid can flow. See, liquid like water is there, oil is there, kerosene oil, petroleum. See, so many, these are liquids. Liquids have a fixed volume, but they do not have fixed shape. See, liquid have a fixed value. See, liquid have a fixed volume, but they do not have fixed shape. They do not have fixed shape. Next we have to see the liquid, solid. Like solid, liquid, see, it is a can't be compressed much. See, is a compressing. See, liquid, solid, and cannot be compressed much. Next, liquid have a moderate to high densities, and they are usually less dense than solid. They are less dense than solid. And we have to see the liquid have moderate, and liquid do not fill their container completely. Liquid do not see, liquid do not fill their container, completely. See, do not fill. Liquid do not fill their container completely. Liquid is generally flow. See, we have to see the liquid is a generally flow. If you pour the water, see what will happen? Liquid is a flowing. See, liquid is a flowing towards the downward. Liquid. Next we have to see the liquid is a easily flowing. Next, property of gases. Properties of gases. You know properties of gases. See, what properties is there? We have to see here. Okay, properties of gases. Air is a gas. Nitrogen, oxygen. See, these are a carbon dioxide, this etc. gases is there. Gases have neither fixed shape nor fixed value. They don't have neither fixed shape, fixed value. And gases can be compressed easily. We have to see the gases can be compressed. We have to see the compressed natural gas, CNG. CNG. This is a compressed natural gas. LPG. See, this is also liquefied petroleum gas. Next, this like gases is a compressed, and gases have low density. See, here is a gas is there. We are moving easily. See, in our surrounding is there gas is there. We can moving. We can walk. We can run. See, it is a. They have a low density compared to. See, this is a solid. This wall is there. I can't cross to this wall because this is have a very high density. Rigidity is more is there. See, gas fill their container completely. Gas is a filling their container completely. Gases can flow. Gases is a diffusing one place to another place. See, this is about the properties of, see, solid, liquid and gases.